guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to bring you a really quick video. This is going to be the first to the series of my Minute Mondays. I just finished a majority of my makeup. The only thing that I didn't do, which is for today's Minute Monday, is my cheeks. I go in with a lipstick. Now, I've definitely shown this on my channel before. This is an Etude House lipstick in Better Lips Talk, and this is in the number Be.101. The way that I do it is I generally go on my hand, back and forth motion of lipstick. I go in with clean fingers. This is generally what I do. I go in, tap, tap, tap. That's how much I get on my hand. I don't know if it'll focus. I get that much, and then I start dabbing on my face. So I go all the way up to about here, I blend up, and then I blend down. And let's go ahead and show you both. Alrighty, we are done. We have both blush on both sides of my face. It's only mainly focused right here, and that's about it. Really super simple. Just take any lipstick. You can use a lipstick that you have at home. You can use any color you'd like, honestly, if you'd like. And you just need your fingers to be clean. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching this Minute Monday, and I will see you guys in the next one.